Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to complete the ICE network first step KYC verification. So let's get started. Guys, before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While I upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. So guys, in this video, step by step, I will show you how you can complete the first step KYC verification of the ICE network token. So guys, for this purpose, as I've guided you the easiest way how to mine the ICE network token, here is the video. I will provide the link of this video in the below down description. Simply check the link and get the idea on how to download and install the ICE network application and start mining free ICE network token inside your mobile device. Here is the video. You can check the link and install the ICE network application, and you can use my code to earn 25% of the mining reward. So guys, I will show you. Simply open up the ICE network application inside your mobile device to complete the first step KYC verification of the ICE network token. Once you complete the login here, so here is the option that you can see at the bottom. Simply click on this. Now guys, you can see for a seamless experience we are adding face authentication. This step acts as your early step 1 KYC, preparing you for a streamlined verification for the future mandate. Confirm your identity today to ensure a smooth journey ahead. So simply check this box, click on the continue. Now again, I confirm that the identity I'm using for this authentication will be the same on associated with this account, and this choice can be changed later. Simply click on the continue option. Now here you can select your country, so simply I will select the country here, then click on continue. Again, here you have to complete your face verification. Now guys, click on the done option. You can see KYC emotion verification. Great job. You have completed the first step by taking a selfie. Now let's proceed by following the displayed emotion to the continue for the KYC process. Simply click on continue option. Again guys, here you can see, please keep the phone straight while looking into the camera. Again, keep here. Here guys, you can see authentication successful. Thank you for confirming your identity. Your check-in session will start now, so simply click on done option. You can see guys, again it starts mining the ICE network coin. So here is, you can see boost your earning rate. Again guys, you can see it is perfectly done. So again it starts mining the ICE network token. Guys, this is the way that you can complete the first step of the ICE network KYC verification. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.